Hi! In front of me is CAT S53 and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing features available on this device. First of all, go into Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Revert. Following that, just tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. If you wish to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!